Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So wanted to just do a quick video on an update on my Tesla Model Y order status. So I just did a video a couple days ago, and my order had changed from, it was April 22nd to May 6th. That was the window I was given a couple days ago, and just today my order status changed. So they just keep changing these dates. Like Tesla keeps doing this, and I hope they're not teasing me again. I hope that I'm actually going to get the car soon, because my date changed from April 22nd to April 21st. So it moved a day closer, and on the back end it changed from May 6th to May 5th. So my window just shrunk. My window was here, it just shrunk by a day on each side of it. So Tesla does this kind of this isn't the first time I've been teased with like dates where it'll get close, it gets close, and then it just gets pushed out a month. So I'm really hoping now that the Tesla factory in Texas is now pumping these things out, maybe they've got some relief from there. They're starting to fulfill these orders. I mean, mine was ordered back in August 2021. Here we are, April 14th today, and I'm hoping by the 21st I've got some updates, or that we got some kind of information on this car. Now, someone in the comments, which I appreciate you guys leaving these comments, because it's helpful for all of us to know, like, what our dates are and when they're moving. I think we can kind of all at least try to predict when our car's coming based on what everyone else's situation is doing. But someone said to call Tesla, and they called twice, and was able to get like a VIN number right over the phone by calling them. So yesterday I call Tesla. I left my phone number, because the wait was like 25 minutes. You can just leave your phone number. And they called me back, and the guy's like, "Oh, this is the service department, and I need to get you over to like orders and deliveries." I'm like, "Okay, that's what I thought I had called." There's just one phone number. I'll leave the phone number down in the description if you want to call Tesla. But I said, "Hey man, my dates have been all over the board. I've been waiting for almost 8 months now. When is this car going to get delivered? I'm super frustrated." And the guy's like, "Oh yeah, sorry, we have no clue when these are going to get delivered." I'm like, "Well, you see my account, you see my order number. Does it say anything in there? Like, is this a priority? Is this going to get switched again? What's the deal?" He says, "We don't know. I don't have a clue." He's like, the order fulfillment department is the department that handles these. All I can see is your dates, and my dates now are the 21st, April 21st to May 5th. That's all I can see. I'm like, so what do I do now? Is there something I have to do? Do I need to call up and tell you, like, I really want to buy this car because I do, and I'm anxiously waiting it? He's like, "No, you've done everything. I've done all my pre-purchase stuff. You've got to like upload like your registration and fill out a few things and give them your driver's license and things like that." So I've done all that. I've done all the preliminary stuff. Everything they've asked me to do, I've done. And there's nothing else to do on my end. He's like, "Just wait for a VIN. They'll contact you." So I don't know what getting the VIN number is like. I've never had one, and so I guess we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully by when the 21st rolls around, we start getting a VIN number. That'd be awesome. But that's kind of the update, and I'm hoping that we've got some news. Today's the 14th. We're about a week away from the 21st. So maybe by next week we'll know something new. Maybe we'll have a new delivery window. Maybe it'll shrink again. Maybe it'll get pushed out. I guess we'll see. But keep leaving down in the comments below what you're experiencing with Tesla, because I think it's helpful for all of us who are waiting on these orders. It's weird because it seems like some people are getting, like, who have ordered when I ordered, they're either getting them or they're getting pushed out further. I guess we'll see. So anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated in the next video. Thanks.